Hello students, let us look at a problem which involves the nature of roots of a quadratic equation. The problem is determine the positive values of k for which the equation x square plus kx plus 64 is equal to 0 and x square minus 8x plus k is equal to 0 will both have real roots. Let us proceed for its solution. The standard form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now comparing this equation, the first equation, with the standard form, we have a is equal to 1, b is equal to k, and c is equal to 64. C is equal to 64. Therefore, the discriminant, which is nothing but b square minus 4ac, the discriminant for the equation 1 is d1 is equal to b is k. Therefore, k square minus 4 multiplied by 64 multiplied by 1, that is 4 multiplied by 64, and this going to be k square minus 256. 64 times 4, that is 256. Similarly, comparing the second equation with the standard form, we have a is equal to, here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 8, and c is equal to k. And in this case, the discriminant d2 is going to be minus 8 square, that is b square, minus 4 times 1 multiplied by c is k. That means 8 square, that is 64. 64 minus 4k. Hence, we have found out the discriminant 1 and the discriminant 2 for the equations 1 and 2 respectively. Now we know that for real roots, discriminant must be greater than or equal to 0. Hence, d1 must be greater than equal to 0 as well as d2 is greater than equal to 0. If d1 is greater than equal to 0, this implies k square minus 256 is greater than equal to 0. And this implies k square is greater than equal to 256. And this implies k square is greater than equal to 16 square, because 16 square is 256. Now taking the positive square root, the square root of k square is k and the square root of 16 square is 16. Similarly, if d2 is greater than equal to 0 here, then what is d2? d2 is 64 minus 4k. 64 minus 4k. Now 64 is greater than equal to 4k. Minus 4k, and minus 4k will go on the right hand side and this will become 4k. Now dividing by 4, we have 16 is greater than equal to k. That is 16 is greater than equal to k. Now from this we have k is greater than equal to 16, and here we have 16 is greater than equal to k. The common solution of both the inequalities, you cannot say it as equation, the common solution of both the inequalities is k is equal to 16. Because k is equal to 16 satisfies this equation. K is 16. Here also k is equal to 16. And this common solution will be our answer. Hence, for k is equal to 16, these two equations will have real roots. Okay, thank you.